Each ingredient arrives from carefully selected agricultural regions worldwide.
Fermented and dried cocoa beans are unloaded in bulk for processing.
Hazelnuts arrive dried and cleaned from orchards across multiple continents.
Refined sugar is stored in controlled silos, ready for precise dosing. Milk powder is protected from moisture to ensure shelf stability.
Food-grade vegetable oils are kept fluid for blending.
Check the chromatograph on the upstream sample. It looks slightly off-trend.
I see that. Rerunning the diagnostic now.
Cocoa beans are mechanically cleaned to remove foreign material.
Roasting develops cocoa flavor through controlled heat.
Rapid cooling stabilizes aroma and structure.
Shells are separated, leaving pure cocoa nibs. Grinding transforms nibs into cocoa liquor.
Hazelnuts are cleaned and optically sorted.
Roasting intensifies hazelnut flavor. Skins are removed after roasting. Hazelnuts are ground into smooth butter. Sugar particle size is standardized.
Milk powder is screened for consistency.
Vegetable oils are refined and filtered.
Exact quantities are digitally controlled.
Mixing begins with sugar and oils.
Cocoa liquor is gradually introduced. Milk powder adds body and balance. Hazelnut paste defines the flavor.
Emulsifiers ensure stability.
Temperature is tightly regulated. Particles are refined to microscopic size. Shear ensures uniform texture. Humidity is kept extremely low. Conching refines flavor and smoothness.
This process lasts several hours.
Texture and viscosity are continuously checked. Quality data is logged in real time. Food safety testing ensures compliance. Equipment is sterilized between batches. Cooling prevents fat instability. Tempering stabilizes texture and color.
Spreadability is verified.
Packaging begins on automated lines. Each jar is filled accurately. Caps are applied and sealed. Brand labeling completes each jar. Traceability codes are applied. Weight accuracy is verified. Visual defects are automatically detected. Robots pack jars into cases.
Cases are palletized for transport. Pallets are stabilized. Final checks ensure consistency.
Cocoa shells are recovered.
Hazelnut scones are reused.
Waste heat is recycled. Water is treated and reused.
Finished products are stored.
Storage is fully automated. Temperature is maintained precisely. Orders are prepared for dispatch. Products leave the factory. Distribution spans the globe. Production never stops.
Thousands of tons are produced annually. Consistency defines the product.
Millions of jars reach consumers. Every step is engineered. Automation ensures precision. Efficiency reduces waste.
Human oversight remains essential.
When the green light flashes, you press this button here to adjust the feeder speed.
Got it. Adjust speed only on green light.
Exactly. Don't forget to log the batch number.
Storage supports global demand.
Shipments are finalized.
Distribution begins.
Industrial scale defines production.
The cycle continues.
Production is continuous.
Every system is integrated.
Precision ensures consistency. The product takes shape.
Distributed worldwide.
Every jar meets the same standard.
Industrial rhythm defines the process.
Scale meets precision. From raw materials to finished product.
This is how Nutella is made today.